Beautiful large studio in Jackson Heights. This is entrance. On the right is the kitchen. It's an eating kitchen. Large kitchen. Got a lot of cabinets. Beautiful cabinets. Got a dishwasher. Got a big window. This is the living room, very large living room, got double windows, beautiful hardwood floors, high ceilings, lots of space. Got two big walk-in closets, huge closets, one of them. There's another closet here, also walk-in closet. Bathroom here, all renovated. Got a window, very clean. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.